Leicester, Leicter, how are you? Yeah.
People over there.
Songs complete.
I want to be over there.
We're like the perfect team together. I've got the
joy to be back in Leicester. 2 years ago we were performing Castaway, our show about plastic pollution, just there. And it's always good to return to cities. And for us, this is part of a conversation that we want to have. Accelerate, this piece that you've seen today, is part of a trilogy of work that we've made over the past 10 years. We had Urban Astronaut that looked at air pollution, Castaway, sea pollution, and Accelerate is about the energy crisis. We all know our energy bills are going up and up and up. And the fact is that making the energy that we need is a messy business, as you've seen today. And if you listen to the scientists, if you listen to the experts, they're saying that our demand for energy is just increasing. We're addicted to energy. We always need to have that phone at 90% charge or whatever it is. And the truth is, we can't go on like this. And they suggest that in about 10 or 15 years, there's going to be blackouts because we can't produce enough electricity. So we're asking people, we're traveling around the country, around the world with this show, trying to get people to understand that we've got to use renewables more and we've got to use less electricity. But thank you for being such a lovely audience. We are Highly Sprung. Tag us into your photos. We're at Highly Sprung. And if you want to do a hashtag because you're young and cool, which you all obviously are, it's Accelerate HS. Thank you very much.